Do you feel like it's anchors away when you think about your basement? Is leaking or flooding preventing you from enjoying your basement? Perhaps your home environment is suffering from mold growth or becoming damaged from the effects of moisture intrusion. Many homeowners are struggling with these same problems, but Basement Masters Waterproofing is here to help. We know how important an effective solution is for your home and family, because it's not just any house. It's your home. Homes aren't built to deal with intruding water. When water intrusion occurs, living in your home can become uncomfortable and even unsafe. Some of the most common problems that moisture or intruding water can cause for your basement are seeping walls and floors, structural damage issues, flooding stairwells and window wells, bowing walls, cracked walls. These problems can make it nearly impossible to utilize any space in your basement. Our professional waterproofing services can seal the deal for water looking to find a way in. These include interior water management systems and channel drains, complete exterior waterproofing systems, buried gutter downspout extensions, sump pumps and sump basins. An interior water management or waterproofing system controls water from entering into the basement by way of a series of pumps and underfloor drains after it has traveled through the soil and foundation. This option can be quicker to install than exterior waterproofing, and a customized solution can be developed for your particular needs. For homes that have a crawl space, we offer encapsulation services for protecting the space underneath your home, keeping it dry. An exterior waterproofing system seals water out of the basement completely using multiple proven waterproofing components that form a complete waterproofing barrier system. By sealing the exterior of the foundation walls, water can be stopped, collected, and redirected away from the home's foundation, ensuring a true waterproofing solution. Utilizing superior materials and techniques, our team of experienced professionals can restore the integrity and assist in correcting any bowing or cracking walls. We offer several proven solutions for both repairing and preventing the damages caused by water intrusion. Egress windows are a safety feature and decorative addition to your basement. Our team can install egress windows that not only save the lives of your loved ones in an emergency, but let in lots of beautiful sunlight. Homeowners all across Northern Virginia and Southern Maryland Beltway are now experiencing dry, comfortable homes because of our interventions. Putting a stop to leaking and flooding water, Basement Masters Waterproofing is changing the way homes can now deal with water intrusion. For more information about how we can be of assistance or to request a free evaluation of your home, give us a call at 571-371-0960. Ask about the financing options available in your area, and we will gladly discuss possible options. Basement Masters Waterproofing, a family-owned and operated business offering professional services with absolutely no pressure sales.